This is a video showing how to calibrate the water quality colorimeter on the GLX. First, I'm going to navigate to my digits display and press the check button. Once I've done that, I have the choice between 2, 4, 6, and 8 displays. For the sake of this video, I'm going to press the entry for 8, so I now have 8 displays here. I'm now going to take my water quality colorimeter and place it into one of the ports on the top of the GLX. Once I've done that and it is registered that that has been inserted, I now have displays for each of my different quantities for my water quality colorimeter, including ammonia, chlorine, fluoride, iron, phosphate, and sulfate. If you need to change these, you can also do that by pressing the check button and selecting one of the headers and to select from one of the many quantities that we have displayed. So I'm going to escape out of that. So now I'm going to calibrate my colorimeter. I'm going to do that by removing the calibration ampule from its protective case, and I'm going to place it into the sensing chamber for the water quality colorimeter. Next, I'm going to place the light cover on top of it, so the only light that is passing through the sample is that what is produced by the colorimeter. Next, I'm going to press the calibration button, and I'm going to wait for the green light to turn out to let me know that the device has been calibrated. Once that happens, you can see that we have on our display many numbers that you would not expect. There's a reason for this. The water quality colorimeter calibrates itself using a clear ampule. If you take a look at the easy samples that will eventually go into this, there are preloaded dye molecules in there. So the reason these are displaying negative is that it's outside the region that normally the sample that would be placed inside the colorimeter would not be that clear. So then you would remove the calibration ampule from the device and then place your fully developed easy sample into the colorimeter, and you'll be ready to collect your data. Please make sure that you are actually observing the measurement that you wish to, that your test sample is for, so that you're getting the correct readings. Also, please make sure that if your reading is above 1 milligram per liter, you're using the high setting, or if you're below that value, please make sure to use the low value for that species that you're looking for.